if you're tired of this awesome experience, let's press the button. And oh, it didn't lift up all the way, so it's locked in. So you gotta do it one more time. If you're tired of that, Z1 sells heavy duty hatch poppers. We're gonna go ahead and remove these OEM ones. Pretty easy, just twist them. So that issue is happening like 10 out of 10 times. I'm not sure why they got this little dinosaur design on it. It's kind of weird to me. Let's not lock this in here. Let's try that again. Hey, yo. They look a lot bigger. But, I mean, if it gets the job done. Look how much of a gap that is. That's pretty significant, but I guess I don't have to worry about that anymore. But this thing's still heavy as fuck. Carbon? I saw a video on Instagram. They press the button and this thing just goes up all the way by itself. That's, you know, re-engineering. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of the hatch interior teardown. We're going to be gutting it, making it a lot lighter for racing purposes. Get this video to 2K likes and I'll get a carbon hatch. We're going to test out the myth. If you press this button, the hatch should lift up with, I think is these hatch poppers, which would be super sick because it's almost automated like a 2020 car, but everyone knows this is an old JDM. Some will say box, but I don't. Yeah, but if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up, comment down below what you want to see, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned. Peace.